Today, let's take a closer look at one of the more obscure collaborations in recent memory, the Nike Air 180 by Ambush. So just a quick note about Ambush, they are a Japanese brand. They specialize in jewelry and accessories, and they also have men's and women's wear, more of the sports casual sort of look. And they are headed by two people. There's Yoon, you recognize her for her blonde hair, and she always has like dark lipstick. She's been pretty prominent on social media, especially in like the fashion category. And of course there's Verbal, who's more on the quieter side of things, I guess you could say. But Yoon is definitely someone that is pretty much synonymous with the Ambush brand at this point. She's the one who designed this collaboration, and her other ventures include being the lead jewelry designer for Dior. So over the last year or so, she's really made a splash into the fashion scene. There's that iconic photo of Yoon running down the runway with Kim Jones during a Fashion Week show last year. So she's definitely made a name for herself. She definitely has that style, that look. Nike clearly is in touch with, so they tapped her for this collaboration. We first got an inkling of it in 2018. On her social media, she was posting photos of her at the world headquarters and stuff like that. And finally, the collection was fully revealed in late 2018. And after small, local drops in Japan, it actually dropped on February 9th exclusively at Nike Lab 21 Mercers. The release of these shoes weren't really like widespread. It was just kind of like a random drop sort of thing. These dropped during New York Fashion Week, so there was definitely that energy around there. Yeah, let's just get right into the shoes. Again, as you can tell, the upper is something that we've never really seen before. It's just relying on the Air 180 sole. There's even the little toe cap boxing that's kind of close to the Air 180 DNA. But right here, this upper shroud, which has a zipper, features a large oversized swoosh. The exterior is this ripstop nylon. You can even see like the hash marks. Over on the medial side, you see again that clean, brandless upper with this shroud. Exterior heel in gray with a leather. The heel is actually pretty interesting. It has a very thick ribbon. It says Nike and of course the Ambush logo at the base. And what obviously differentiates these from other Air 180s is the zipper. So let's just pull that down. So you can actually fold this down. This is possibly one way to wear the shoes, fold it down like this. As you can see, there's like an interior neoprene booty that holds your foot in, but it does have Huarache-like holes to it. So there's definitely a lightweight factor to it. This is where your ankle bone will stick out. So there's definitely a comfort aspect there. Even more holes toward the forefoot. So the interior booty is designed for comfort. It's gonna fit to the shape of your foot, and the zipper is an option. You can either wear it rolled down like this, or you can zip it up high top. So again, like we said, this is a pretty interesting design. It is based on the classic Air Max sneaker, the 180, and they decided to add this upper shroud. It definitely fits the Ambush aesthetic. They kind of focus more on like the oversized look, very sporty. The Nike Air 180 High by Ambush releases on April 27th in both the black and white colorway for $200. Check the description below for an official store list. Definitely a clean shoe, interesting design. This is a women's sneaker, but it is available men's sizing. This, for example, is a men's 7.5 or a women's 9. Other interesting things that we probably should show you is that the packaging comes with your Nike Sportswear slide-out box, but it is co-branded. It does have the Ambush on the side. This very straightforward stoic print is kind of their signature logo. And even the interior tissue, you have the Ambush with the swoosh. So in addition to the shoes, there was a full apparel collection as well. Tights, training gear, lifestyle clothing, but probably the most coveted item from that whole collection was the fur jacket with a huge swoosh on the back. This is pretty much it. This is the Air 180 by Ambush. The Air 180 is definitely on a lot of people's radars because it was a pretty prominent shoe 2018. That Condor Gosson collaboration with the 3 pink colorways were really, really popular. A lot of people said those were one of the most, the best shoes of the year. But these are a bit out there. It's a little bit different from what we're used to. So if you want to learn more about the shoes, just click the links below, get a closer look. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.